What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a super quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it is actually performing really well recently. You can see if we zoom out a bit, when in doubt zoom out, just how crazy this chart is, potentially forming this big cup and handle formation. And we did say, if we do start to roll over, we could be looking at sweeping that 618 on the way down before getting that handle really playing out of that cup and handle. Something like this. If I can actually draw, you can see we've got our cup and then the handle sweeping the 618 at the low here, picking back up towards this local high, then the all-time high, and then basically starting to explode. And you can see basically, you know, a lot of people saying things are looking so bearish in the market right now, but Verasity looks as though it's holding really nicely in and around that 55 moving average, also around that 3 cent level. Obviously a big psychological level, the 3 cent level. And you can see here, we've got the 4 cent level here acting as resistance, 5 cents, and obviously the all-time high at 5.5 cents. But you can see quite clearly this 3 cent level acting as a decent level of support. You can see we did have a big move to the downside here to test some of these lows again, but it looks as though Verasity is actually wicking back up onto that 55, which is interesting to see. Looks as though we're currently coiling up again for potentially another move here. And if we did roll over and, you know, if this was a, for example, a pennant like this, it would be a bearish pennant with probably a breakout target coming down towards the 050 for a bit of a deeper retracement before essentially moving to the upside. But we do think that, you know, I mean, look at this chart. This chart is super bullish, isn't it? We've obviously had a massive run up here. This is a crazy run up from, what is this, a fifth of a cent? Is that a fifth of a cent? It's like it's even smaller than that. It's basically a tiny amount, but a massive run up here, a big retracement. We come down and then you can see these fib levels being respected really nicely. We've come down again, retested the 618 as support, and now it looks as though we are getting a bit of a pickup. And you know, it's only going to take one big move in the market, one big pump going into October and getting things back underway for Bitcoin. That's going to see Verasity absolutely explode in value. If I can actually select the incorrect tool here. Basically, if we do start to get the pickup for the Bitcoin, we're probably going to see Verasity follow suit, do something like this, get back up towards these levels here, and head to the upside, because, you know, this is basically a ticking time bomb, isn't it? It's looking very bullish. It's holding support. It's currently sitting on support, getting the bounce to the upside. And if we do start to break through some of these levels, it's going to be looking very bullish, isn't it? So overall, we're feeling very bullish on Verasity. We've obviously got this bit of a falling wedge that a lot of cryptos have been showing like this, stuck under this resistance. So short-term price predictions, if we do roll over to the downside, we've got the 618 as support here around 2.5-ish cents, along with the bottom of this wedge. And then if we do retrace deeper, then the 050 will be the next point of call at 2 cents. But if we do start to pump up again and we can head back up towards the top of this resistance here at around the 3.2 cent area, and we do break this and retest it, then obviously we could be looking at coming back up towards this 5 cent, 5.5 cent all-time high levels, looking very bullish indeed. And then looking at the fib retracements, we've got some very nice price targets. This, the 161 here around 20 cents, the 227 at around 75 cents. And we do think, as we always say, considering how low the market cap is for Verasity, we could be looking at a very nice pump for it in the future. Over the next 5 or 6 months, we'd say, going into the remainder of the bull run, we would say very strongly that we do think Verasity has the potential to hit 50 cents to $1, which would be, you know, in keeping with these fib extension targets. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.